Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to do transitions on Google Slides. So on your Google Slides, click here in the toolbar, transition, and then here you have a lot of options. I will use dissolve. You can also apply it to all slides, and you can test the transition. You can also adjust the extent of the transition, like so. And then you can test it again just to check how it looks like. And there, I think that's it. And then just go to the other slides. If you want a different transition, I'm choosing this style of motion or transition. I'll go to the other slides and try a different transition. So you can do this on the rest of the slides, or you can just, like I said a while ago, just click apply to all if you would like to use one transition. So let's check if it's working, and here it goes. So that's it. That's how you add transitions to your slides in Google Slides. Thank you so much, guys. Please do like and subscribe.